Which country has been selected to host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? Right answer is option C, Malta. The GB Drishti drone program has been launched by which state government? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Which institution proposed the development of the world's smallest semiconductor chip in 2025? Right answer is option B, IISc Bangalore, who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025. Right answer is option D, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Right answer is option C, Chandrika Tandon. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Award 2025? Right answer is option B, Anora. Where has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, has been inaugurated? Right answer is option D, Kerala. Which ministry has launched the PM Yuva 3.0 scheme? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Education. What is the rank of India in the Energy Transition Index 2025 released by World Economic Forum? Right answer is option A, 71st rank. Which Indian city hosted the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, Rajgir, Bihar. Which country has recently launched the world's first crypto tourism payment system? Right answer is option D, Bhutan. On which date National Space Day 2025 is celebrated? Right answer is option C, 23rd August. Which is said to be become India's first legislative assembly to run fully on solar power? Right answer is option A, Delhi Assembly. Who has won the 2025 Durand Cup title? Right answer is option B, Northeast United FC. Where was the Prachand Prahar military exercise conducted in 2025? Right answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Which state has the highest number of vultures according to the recent census? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. The Government of India has recently approved to conduct the census along the caste census in which upcoming year? Right answer is option A, 2027. Which institution organized the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025? Right answer is option B, the Energy and Resources Institute. Which of the following countries has recently launched the Golden Visa? Right answer is option D, Vietnam. Recently, where was the 25th SEO Summit held in August 2025? Right answer is option C, China. Which country has topped the medal tally of the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Right answer is option A, China, who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI. Right answer is option B, Ajay Seth. Which Indian state has launched its first AI-based real-time forest alert system? Right answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. What is the time limit for appealing in the High Court under the Waqf Act 2025? Right answer is option C, 90 days. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Right answer is option A, Meghalaya, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation. Right answer is option B, Rajesh Nirvan. Which treaty was suspended by India with Pakistan in April 2025? Right answer is option D, Indus Water Treaty. Who has become the youngest Indian to climb highest peaks of all 7 continents? Right answer is option C, Vishwanath Karthikeya. According to Panchayat Advancement Index, which state has the highest number of front runner Gram Panchayats? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Which country will host the FIDE World Chess Cup Championship 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Which state government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran? Right answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Which country has become the 54th nation to sign the Artemis Accords in April 2025? Right answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which airport was named as the world's best airport 2025 by Skytrax? Right answer is option A, Changi Airport, Singapore. Which state is the host of Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Right answer is option C, Bihar. Which has become country's first ATM train? Right answer is option D, Panchvati Express. Which state has achieved the GI tag for Khasi handloom products? Right answer is option C, Meghalaya. Which ministry has declared 2025 as the year of reforms? Right answer is option A, Ministry of Defence. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Right answer is option B, Sikkim. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Right answer is option D, Nepal. Which country has recently joined the New Development Bank? Right answer is option C, Algeria. Which state government has launched the Garud Drishti to combat cybercrime? Right answer is option A, Maharashtra. The world's largest renewable energy park is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Which of the following cities will host the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Right answer is option D, Tokyo, Japan. Which country has become the world's fourth largest biofuel consumer? Right answer is option C, India, who has recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025. Right answer is option A, Manika Vishwakarma. Hang Kang, who won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature, is from which country? Right answer is option B, South Korea. Which country has recently declared bald eagle as the national bird? Right answer is option D, United States, who was honored with the Poli Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025. Right answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Which country has become the world's third largest biofuel producer? Right answer is option A, India. The Kapad and Chal beaches of which Indian state have received the prestigious Blue Flag certification? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Which country has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Right answer is option D, India. Which country has won the Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category? Right answer is option C, India. Where will India's first PPP green waste processing plant be established? Right answer is option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. What is the age eligibility for poor rural youth under the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana? Right answer is option B, 15 to 35 years. Who won the women's singles title in Wimbledon Open 2025? Right answer is option D, Iga Swiatek. Shubhanshu Shukla was sent to the International Space Station under which mission? Right answer is option C, Axiom 4 mission. Which year has been declared as the year of Gaganyaan by ISRO? Right answer is option A, 2025. Where was the Gorbia Solar Power Project inaugurated in July 2025? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Where has India's largest international cruise terminal been launched? Right answer is option D, Mumbai, which has become the first state to link forest ecosystem with green GDP. Right answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. From which country did India receive the highest remittance in the financial year 2023 to 24? Right answer is option A, USA, who has become the first Indian to win a Formula 2 race in 2025. Right answer is option B, Koos Maini. Recently, India's second largest cable stayed bridge opens in which state? Right answer is option D, Karnataka, who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing. Right answer is option C, Parag Jain. The Tamil Nadu government has announced the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at which place? Right answer is option A, Dhanushkodi, who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025. Right answer is option B, Opal Suchata Chuangsri. How many people have received Padma Awards in 2025? Right answer is option D, 139. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Right answer is option C, Khun Yang Patama. Where was the ninth edition of 2025 World Technology Summit held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. The world's longest expressway tunnel is constructed in which country? Right answer is option B, China. Where was the first international conference on glaciers preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 10th rank. The RBI has granted NBFC license to which e-commerce company? Right answer is option A, Flipkart. Which team won the ICC World Test Championship in 2025? Right answer is option B, South Africa. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Where was the first ever Khelo India Water Sports Festival be held? Right answer is option C, Srinagar. Which company has surpassed Microsoft to become the world's most valuable company? Right answer is option A, Nvidia. What is India's rank in the recently released Global Gender Gap Report 2025? Right answer is option B, 131st rank. Chenab Bridge connects which two areas of Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is option D, Kauri and Bakkal. Who has become the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option C, MS Dhoni. Who has become the first ever woman Union Law Secretary? Right answer is option A, Anju Rathi Rana. Which foundation day was celebrated by ISRO on 15th August 2025? Right answer is option B, 56th. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank? Right answer is option D, Dilma Rousseff. How many people were awarded the Goldman Environmental Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, 7 individuals. Where will the first Olympic esports games be held in 2027? Right answer is option A, Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. Which has become the fourth capital in the northeast region which is connected to the national rail network? Right answer is option B, Aizawl. Who will be awarded the 59th Gyanpith Award for its outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature? Right answer is option D, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Where was the India's first open-air art wall museum inaugurated recently? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the world's first nuclear energy summit held recently? Right answer is option A, Belgium. Where is the world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh. Who topped the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Right answer is option D, Manipur. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, Masaki Kashiwara. Who was appointed as the new Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal? Right answer is option A, Sanjay Singhal. Where has India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant been set up? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Which institution recently launched the India Electric Mobility Index? Right answer is option D, Niti Aayog. What is the rank of India in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 4th rank. Where did the 12th World Games 2025 started recently? Right answer is option A, China. Who has recently become the 89th Chess Grandmaster of India? Right answer is option B, Rohit Krishna. Recently, Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan of which state was chosen as the NDA candidate for the Vice President election? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.